Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, you need at least one. So click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, and then log in to one of your apps. Lastly, tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. In order to do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter your website data or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Following that, enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, to save your password, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added to Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!